This is Ulanzi F35 Fotopro Aero 3 Quick Release Carbon Fiber Travel Video Tripod. It's so far the lightest video tripod I ever tested. Comes at 1.06 kilograms, 2.34 pounds, and a foldable height of 46 centimeter, 18 inches. It got a fluid head and supports F38 plates, so I can easily mount my Falcam camera cage directly on the tripod head easily without any plates. The Fotopro Aero 3 supports a ball base, an adjustable leveling base. Same concept as large video tripod. I suppose the video head can be adjusted on each side about 15 degrees. I learned how the new locking structure is super, especially when you understand how it works. Literally opening the 3 tripod legs at full length will take no longer than 10 seconds. Each leg is made of 5 sections. Now the tripod can reach up to 156 cm, 61 inches, and the center column supports 10 kg, 22 pounds, while the video head supports only 3 kg, 6.6 pounds. So if you're working with a heavy setup, you get the option to change the video head if needed. The Fotopro Travel Video Tripod features 1/4 mounting screw and an Allen key underneath the plate mount. Although this tripod sounds quite expensive, it's solid, lightweight, made of carbon fiber, and features a fluid smooth head. If you're new to video tripods, here is my technique to get better panning and tilting movement. Get some rubber bands and see the difference. Technically speaking, rubber bands ease the movement at start and when it ends. So you get a smooth starting and a smooth ending. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you found this video helpful. This was Oma, and see you guys in another one. Gotcha.